Hey, what's up, you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today we are going to be making homemade funnel cake because we can't go outside to the fair, so that's what we're doing today. Into a bowl, we are going to combine 2 large eggs with a cup and a half of milk. I used evaporated. It really doesn't matter, I'm pretty sure. You just need milk. We are going to set that aside. And then we are going to start combining our wet ingredients, our dry ingredients, we just did wet ingredients, ignore me, into a whole new bowl. We are going to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, it will not work the same way, please don't use baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, and yeah, that's it. There isn't any sugar in this because all the toppings will be enough sugar. The topping's optional, whatever you want to put on it. I just use confectioner's sugar. Then we are going to take some vanilla because I tasted it and I was like, there isn't really like anything in here. It's literally just like basic ingredients. Didn't have much flavor, so I just added a teaspoon of vanilla. That's optional. It really doesn't matter. Then you're going to add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and mix it up until it looks like this, like pancake batter, waffle batter. I think more waffle than pancake because pancake's a bit thicker, I'm pretty sure. I haven't made it in a while, but I'm pretty sure. Then into a nice sized pan, I guess, a wide pan, we are going to add roughly about 8 cups of vegetable oil for frying, and then we're going to put that on our stove and let our oil heat up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Once your oil heats up, you should get a funnel because it's a funnel cake, why not? And you're going to start just completely like zigzagging everywhere, but making sure it all, it's a cohesive type, like everything's still looping together. What I used was, because mine's plastic, I wasn't able to poke any holes in it, which is good. I just used the back of a fork and just kind of kept jamming it up and down so it, went through, if that makes sense. But just do it however it works. If anything, you can use like spoons to spoon it in. It really doesn't matter, it's up to you, whichever looks best. After a couple minutes, when it gets all golden, you want to flip it. And when it's golden on both sides, you want to take it out and put it on a cooling rack. You don't want it cool, like, all the way. You don't want it to be cold because, like, who wants cold funnel cake? I don't think anybody likes cold funnel cake, so don't do that. But you just want to let it drain all the oil off of it because you don't want an oily funnel cake, Again, who wants an oily funnel cake? That's kind of gross, I'm not gonna lie. So you're going to do that for the rest of your batter. I think mine made maybe like 12, 8 or 12, one of those. But here they are. It's pretty pog. Wait, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can't count. It made 4. It tasted very good, very light. And then I had leftover batter, so I decided to fry a candy bar. Because I was like, they do that at fairs too. I do not recommend it. It was horrible. I hated it so much. Anyways, that was a very fast recipe. It's like really easy. I wholeheartedly recommend you make it. Yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.